Hello and welcome to Easy Microbit Classroom. I'm your professor, Mr. Doi, and I'm here to present you Microbit Sound Program. Every Sunday, I'm going to introduce seasonal Japanese nursery rhymes and play them using the sound program of the latest Microbit model. Now, I'm making a video for the autumn season series. Today, I introduced Maple. First, I'm playing this nursery rhyme using a Microbit program. Switch the screen. This is the program of this nursery rhyme. When you push the A button, this program plays only once. If you will push the B button, it plays 4 times over. If you want to play this song, scan the QR code. I will show you the QR code. This QR code. Then you can play this song by your internet browser on your smartphone. If you want to play this song, scan this QR code with your smartphone. You can play this song by your internet browser on your smartphone. And I will leave this link in this video description for the desktop computer users. Next, I will introduce another. Next, I introduce about this nursery rhyme. Switch the screen. In Japan, it will be autumn in October. In autumn, the leaves of hardwoods changes to various colors. Among them, the leaves of maple changes color from green to bright red. The first verse of this song sings how such a change in the color of the maple leaves make the mountains lustrous. The second verse sings how those fallen leaves fall into the stream and color the flow of the stream. Next week, I introduce another Japanese nursery rhyme for the autumn. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you. See you next week. Bye bye.